Pull that shit up. You did got a little goose to get loose. You did got a little more. Round trip. You did pop out. Fire that shit up. You did fire that shit up. Fire it up. Fire it in the hole. What's up with it, y'all? Represent y'all channel, y'all. You did. We ain't playing no games. You did. Yeah, did. We popping out, rocking out. Hey, party time, y'all. We got the party, 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 party. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down, everybody. Please be safe, y'all. It is. Represent y'all channel. It is. Like I said, represent y'all channel. It is. No, that's what shit is. I got love for my bros like now. Still getting smoke, 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 smoke. Excuse me. That's what I said. Hey, hey. We rollin', we poppin', we smoking, we rockin'. What's up with it, y'all? Represent y'all channel. Hey, represent your channel. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Hey, hey, hey. Pop out. All my bros. What's up with it? Say, y'all. Go check out my boy channel. You know, I'm talking about tactical mic, man. My boy be on there. Got that, man. Say, man. I'm starting to serve people. You know what? I think I need. Nigga is hating on my boy Tactical Mike. Matter of fact, God, dog, I had to think about that. Yep, we got them haters. I'm like, hold on, man. I think yeah, we got some haters. Hating on my boy Tactical Mike. Ain't that a bada bing, bada boom. So, yeah, everybody, pop out. Be yourself, y'all. I ain't playing no games. Hey, Dallas, Texas, and more. Cooking with love and more. Guns and man, say, it's me. And say it's me. Damn me. Fuck the bullshit. Yeah. Do y'all sell pop out, y'all. We ain't playing no games. Yeah, if it ain't live, it ain't me. Pop out. We ain't playing no games, y'all. We stand irrelevant. You did. I need to get everybody on this channel, but it's all good. It's all good. We ain't hate. Cause it's still my bros. I need to just tell them to come to this channel. Pop out, y'all. Come on with it, y'all. Ain't nothing. Still me. Pop out. Be yourself. Get it. But it's all good. You know, that's how you do it, man. Gotta keep everybody lit. Get it? Lit. Lit. Hey, so yeah, everybody. That's how we do it. I don't know about you. Hey, be up on it. Be up on it, y'all. Oh, one more day. One more day. Woo. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What's up with it, y'all? Be safe, everybody. Pop out, represent y'all channel. Yeah, did. Yeah, did. If you want to be a stalker, you can be a stalker. Thumbs up. You know, it's all good. I'm going to get this channel back popping. So, everybody, please be safe and represent. I'm the loud got my face looking like I'm breathing. Damn, my face shining and shit. I'm wiping my face like my, man, I got grease on my face. Damn. Boy, you just black. No black ass. It just shine, nigga. I'm like, damn. Nigga, I got grease on my face and shit. What's up with it? Y'all pop out. Y'all like that cowboy head? Look at that cowboy head, y'all. Did y'all just see that motherfucker? Do y'all see that motherfucker? That motherfucker clean, y'all. I couldn't hate on that damn head. That motherfucker